Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning on voice control and being ready with credentials. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Voice Control and toggle it on. This lets you speak interface commands. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked, connected to Wi-Fi, and you know the current passcode and Apple ID password for verification. Once done, test a simple command like Open Settings to confirm it responds. This ensures you can navigate hands-free when we move into security and passcode screens next. Now use voice commands to reach the passcode options. Say Open Settings, then speak Tap Face ID and Passcode or Tap Touch ID and Passcode depending on your model. Voice control will simulate taps. When prompted, authenticate with face, touch, or speak the current passcode digits if you need to. Next, say Tap Change Passcode. This opens the change flow. It's important because the system verifies identity before allowing a new code. Make sure you speak digits clearly. Pause between numbers if recognition struggles. Finish by selecting the passcode type and entering the new code. Say the option like Tap Passcode Options, then choose 6-digit numeric code or custom alphanumeric code. When prompted, speak each digit or character distinctly, pausing as needed, then confirm by repeating the new passcode when the system asks. Once accepted, you'll see confirmation. If voice control mishears you, toggle voice control off and on, or switch to manual touch input. This resolves recognition issues and ensures your passcode updates securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.